The equities market resumes uptrend as trading activities closed on a positive note as NSE-ASI records 1.40% gain amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed flat. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at minus 8.68%. You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Thursday, July 23rd, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 24,512.27 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.787 trillion naira in 2,986 deals. At the close of trading, investors gained 176.71 billion naira as market recorded 11 gainers to 11 losers. Dangote Cement, Jais Bank and Custodian Investments were top gainers for equity, while Naimet International Pharmaceuticals, Mutual Benefit Assurance and Boa Cement were among the top losers. FBN Holdings, Custodian and Zenith Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.66 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 388 naira 81 kobo to a dollar, while the INE FX rate opened at 388 naira 36 kobo and closed at 388 naira to a dollar. For the NASD OTC exchange, the NSI closed at 706.52 basis points with a market capitalization of 518.99 billion. The volume of shares traded was 28,315 and 961,330 in terms of value traded in 7 deals executed for the day. Its year-to-date trade volume stands at 7.81 billion. You can also check for global commodity, currency, and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on your screen. For the highlights from yesterday, the CEO of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Mr. Oscar N. Onyema OON, hosted the MD CEO Champion Breweries, Georgios Polymenakos, to a digital closing gong ceremony to commemorate his appointment and introduce him to the capital market community. Mr. Oscar Onyema said the NSE continues to partner with the federal government on technical capacity development and advisory for alternative long-term funding solutions for budgets and infrastructure development as it needs, and it's also driving advocacy around ease of doing business by constantly engaging key policymakers and other critical stakeholders. The Senate on July 22, 2020, passed the bill to repeal the Banks and Other Financial Institutions Act, BOFIA Cap B3 laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, and to reenact Banks and Other Financial Institutions Act, BOFIA Cap B3 laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, Amendment Bill 2020. In addition to strengthening the Nigerian financial system, the bill seeks to regulate banking and businesses of other financial institutions by prohibiting the carrying on of such business in Nigeria except under license and by a company incorporated in Nigeria. The bill also made adequate provisions for proper licensing, supervision, and revocation of licenses of such institutions by the Central Bank of Nigeria. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Do connect with us on our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.